LinkMatch allows you to match, save, and update LinkedIn profiles to your Close.io. You will see a green check mark if a LinkedIn profile is already in your Close.io as a lead. This will allow you to avoid the need of switching tabs back and forth between LinkedIn and Close.io. By clicking on the check mark, you will be able to edit a particular Close.io profile right from the LinkedIn page. The changes will be instantly reflected in your Close.io. If a LinkedIn profile is not in your Close.io, you will see a red cross and will be able to automatically save that profile. The matching and parsing features work for company profiles as well. You can also update existing Close.io profiles with new information. In addition, you can customize how LinkMatch displays and saves the information. By going to the LinkMatch option page, you can adjust the view of Close.io profiles, configure how LinkedIn profile fields correspond to your Close.io fields during saving, as well as adjust the matching settings when needed. If you're looking for us to build additional features for your Close.io LinkedIn integration, then please go to linkmatch.net/Close.io and contact us either through our chat, email, or phone.